Go ahead and continue this a little bit. What I did is I removed this thing so there's more room, and I took this thing off of here. I moved that back, and then I stuck all the hoses back there, so you got a lot of room now. Next thing I'm gonna do is take this fan out. There's a screw here, and a screw here, and then there's a plug that plugs in here. I already unplugged it. You just push it. You gotta push it and kind of shake it. You just push it like this. Push the plug like this. Push on it. From here, you're kind of moving around. It comes off. So now I'm ready to take this out. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there it comes out. See? There you go. So I just wanted to show you that. That looks like it's still in good shape, thank God. And just look at all the room we have now. So now the next thing is to take the radiator out. I got that hose to take apart, and I think there's a couple bolts. I remember one on the top, one on the bottom somewhere. Still kind of attached to this other thing, I think. I'm not sure. I'll find out if it's attached to this cooler AC cooler coil. But look at all the room. So I'm just gonna start taking it apart. Take this apart, try to pull the radiator out. And the good thing is, hopefully, I remember I had a water leak, and it seemed like I had a water leak for the longest time. I thought it was the water pump, but I know I fixed the water pump, and I think still had water leak. So I think this radiator was getting ready to be replaced anyways. It's 2009, and now it's 2024, so it's like 15 years old. So that's it. I just hope that I can bend back that this was pushed forward somehow. Maybe it was this part of the frame. It looks like kind of, yeah, I don't know. Well, when I get this off, we'll know. So that's it. I'll make another video when I get this off. And then I got to compare this one with the new one, make sure it's the same. And then I'll go ahead and proceed to realign things and put it back together. It's really not that bad. You know, just one piece at a time. I don't know how much they charge to do this at auto repair, but this is costing me basically $50 for the radiator. I got it online. There's a bunch of them, and they sell them for about 60. And then I just said, well, I'm gonna make some offers. I made a few offers for 43.16. I always like doing that, you know, 316, you know, for John 3:16. And someone sold me one after about 5 or 6 of them. So that's it. So okay, we'll just keep doing what Jesus tells us to do. We'll be okay. And I'll make a third video when I get further. It's kind of hard to video this as I'm working on it by myself, but even so, it takes time, and this is the first time I've done this. It's a nice little engine, huh? It's got a lot of torque. Still going good. I hope I didn't damage it by running out of water. I don't think I did. I didn't push it. Besides, it kind of shuts itself down. It's weird. There's something in there, electronics or something. When it gets hot, it doesn't want to run right. So maybe it's a safety feature. I hope so. Okay, God bless. We'll see you next time. I better check my fluids. Yeah, power steering looks like it's got some, but this brake looks funny. I haven't looked at this in ages. Yeah, I better. Wow. Oh my gosh. I better fill that up. We don't have a brake. It doesn't look like it's leaking, but I better get some. It's crazy. All right. Talk to you later.